Welcome to Crochet Wonderland, and today it's episode 2 of learning basic stitches you should know. Today I'm going to be teaching 4 stitches: single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet. Let's get started. First, we're going to learn single crochet. For that, you're going to start off with the slip knot, which I already have taught in another episode. And you're going to make a chain of any number you want. Just yarn over, pull through. And today I'm going to make 4 chains, like that. And then in the second chain of your hook, which is the 1, 2, 3, the third hook chain of mine, I will insert my hook, yarn over, turn my hook to the left, pull through, and now I have 2 loops on my hook, and I'm going to do yarn over and pull through both, and you just made a single crochet. Again, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and lastly, insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through. That's how you make a single crochet. And now I'm going to teach you how to make half double crochet. I'm also going to make 4 chains in this one. Slip knot. I like making slip knots with my hook. We're going to yarn over through and keep repeating that until you chain your desired length. Chain 1 extra chain. Now, in my second chain, I'm going to yarn over like that. Insert. Now I'm going to have these 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through. Now I'm going to have another 3 loops like that. And I'm going to yarn over, pull through all the loops. And you just made a half double crochet. Now we can repeat that again. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, 3 loops, pull through, and again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, and pull through. And you just made a half double crochet. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to make a double crochet, and I'm going to always be chaining 4. So make your slip knot and chain 1 extra than how many stitches you want to make. Now you're going to yarn over, insert in the second chain, and pull through. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, but only pull through 2 loops. So this loop's still going to be there. You're going to yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. And now you're going to have 2 loops on your hook. And you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. So you just made it 1 double crochet. Now you can repeat that again. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2. Last, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You just made double crochet. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you our last stitch of all the basic stitches you should know, which is treble crochet. First, make your slip knot, chain how much you want, plus an extra chain. Gonna chain 4. Now you're gonna yarn over twice, like that. Insert in your second chain from your hook. So you're gonna have 4 loops, including that stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Now you're gonna have 4 loops without the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. It's literally like double crochet except bigger because it's 2 yarn overs. So yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Last one, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So now you've learned all the basic stitches you should know. Thank you for listening.